Now I know what you're saying. Hey, what happened? It says the customer complains of hard starting, but we got to fire up on the first go. So if you look right here, if I can get this back up, there's all your pick lists, all the parts that I'm going to be getting. I'll put this back up again here in a second once I get it printed out. So once again, here's your parts list. I hope you can get all of those. This is for the FFC 56C. And there's a nice little parts list for you for everything I'm going to be doing on it. I hope you guys can see that. Now I know what you're saying. Hey, what happened? We were just all apart about to fix all this. Well, we had to order some parts. So there's going to be a part 2 to this guy. I've buttoned it back up. We're going to get the parts ordered, get them here, and then do the repairs. So stay tuned for this guy. Because there will be a part 2 coming out when we actually fix everything that I said we were going to fix. I also noticed I didn't put the spark plug number on the list. That's because the STIHL list is different from our list here.